Hello guys, welcome to you. In this video we are going to see how to download and install Epson EcoTank L4360 printer driver in Windows 10 PC or laptop. It is a very easy and simple process. So let's go to our video. First we check our PC or laptop is 32-bit or 64-bit. That is very easy to check it. Go to this PC, right click on this PC, click on the properties. Wait for a few seconds. In a properties, scroll down and find system type. If system type is 32-bit, that means that machine is 32-bit operating system machine. If system type is 64-bit, that means that machine is 64-bit operating system machine. This machine is 64-bit operating system machine. Close it. Next step is download the printer driver. Go to any web browser that you like. I am going to the Google Chrome, and here in a search type Epson L4360 printer driver and hit enter key on your keyboard. First link is from the Epson official website of the Epson. Here we find our printer name. Open the first link. An official website of the Epson printer is open. Here we find our printer name Epson EcoTank L4360. After that, scroll down, and if you not detect your operating system right, then click at here. If Windows 10 32-bit, then go to the Windows 10 32-bit. If Windows 10 64-bit, then go to the Windows 10 64-bit. Select that and click on that. Here we find the go button. Click on that go button. It's refresh this whole page, and after that, scroll down and go to the here drivers. Expand drivers. Scroll down, and here we find our scanner driver, and here we find our printer driver. First I download the scanner driver. I go to the scanner driver, click on the download. It's redirect me to the another web page, and after that here we find I agree the software license agreement. Select this, check this, and go to the download. Click on the download. It's start download on our PC or laptop. It's take few seconds, so be patient and wait for a few seconds. Our download is completed. Go to the downloads, click on show in folder, minimize it, and drag this scan setup file to desktop. Okay, close it. Next step is go to the website once again. This time goes to the back, go to the main web page, go to the main web page, and here we find our printer name. Same things. Select Windows 64-bit or 32-bit depending on your bit. After that, go to the drivers. Here we find our printer driver. Here we find our printer driver. Click on the download. It's redirect you to the another web page. Here we find I agree software and license agreement. Check this, select this, click on the download, and our download is started on our PC or laptop. It's take few seconds. Wait for a few seconds. Download is almost completed. Go to the downloads, click on show in folder, minimize it, and drag this setup file to desktop. Close it. Here we find our setup file, and these setup files are actually a zip file, and we are going to unzip this setup file. First I go to my printer driver, right click on that printer driver, and click on the extract files. Click on the OK. It's extracted files on our desktop. Here we find newly created folder. Double click on this folder, double click on this folder, double click on this folder, and here we find our setup file. Close it. Next step is install this setup file. Go to the start, type printers and scanners, click on the printers and scanners. In a printers and scanner at the top we find add a printer or scanner. Click on add a printer or scanner. Wait for a few seconds, and new options are pop up in a few seconds. New options are the printer that I want isn't listed. Click on that, close it. Here we find add a printer. In add a printer, go to the last option, add a local printer or network printer with manual settings. Select last option, click on the next. Here we find existing port, most IMP part of this installation. Click at here, and if you find any port named USB 001, USB 002, USB 003, USB 004, select any USB port that you want. Select USB, click on the next. Wait for a few seconds, click on a have disk, click on a have disk. Go to the browse, go to the desktop. Here we find newly extracted folder or unzip folder. Double click on it. Here we find one folder, double click on it. Here we find one folder, double click on it. Here we find some files. Select any file that we want. All files contain same printer network, some printer drivers. Select any file, it's contain same printer driver. Click on open, click on OK. Here we find Epson L4360 series. It is a series printer. Select that printer, click on the next, give any name that you like. I go with the same printer name. You can give any printer name and click on the next. It's installing our printer. It's take 1 to 5 minutes, so be patient and wait for a few minutes to completely install this printer on your Windows 10 PC or laptop. Our printer is now installed. If you want to share this printer on a network, then select last option. I don't, so I select do not share this printer, first option. Click on the next. If you want to print a test page, then click on a print a test page or click on a finish. Next option is install our scanner part or the scanner driver. Here we find our scanner driver. Double click on it or right click on it and click on run as an administrator. Click on the yes. Wait for a few seconds. It's unzip the folders or the files on our PC or laptop, and after that installation start. Here we find unzipping process is started and it's a few seconds. Okay, now installation is started. Click on the next. Accept the terms and condition. Click on the next. Here we find our installation is started. Here we find our scanner is installing and it's take less than 1 minute, so be patient and wait for less than 1 minute and it's install our scanner part. Our scanner part is also installed. Click on finish. Here we find our scanner driver. Next step is check our printer is properly installed or not. Go to start, type printers and scanners, click on the printers and scanners. In a printers and scanner, in a printer list, if you find printer name Epson L4360, that means your printer is properly installed and it's work 110% in Windows 10 PC or laptop. So guys, thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like, share, comment on this video and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you guys.